Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the LED light in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit and needle nose pliers. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Unthread the 2 screws holding the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the wire harness from the display PCB assembly. Unplug the LED light. Use the pliers to compress the side tabs on the light and push down to free it. To install the new LED light, align the tabs of the light and snap it into place. Plug in the LED light. Plug the wire harness back into the PCB assembly. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Then rethread the 2 screws that hold it in place. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Turn the power supply back on, and your dryer should be ready for use.